Hi students, this is algebra indices, okay, and this is a non-calculator, okay, I'm going to teach you now, and this is for grade 9 and grade 10. Let's see, simplify m cube times m power 6. So you can see m cube. So this is called the base and the top one is called the power. So it's in index form. So here the base you see m and m both are same. So write one time and you see the multiplication symbol. So when you see the multiplication symbol, the powers will be added. So 3 plus 6, which will be m power 9. That's it. Okay. The next one, let me zoom in. The second one, p power 8 divided by p square. So p and p bases are same. So write one time. So division, right? Division. This line is division. So if it is a division, powers will be subtracted. So 8 minus 2, which will be p power 6. That's it. And we are going to do the third one now. See the brackets. The brackets, we can say that whole. So the power we have is a 4 over here outside the bracket, which means the 4 is belong to term 2. The 4 is also belong to n cube, n power 3, which means. So let us write. So 2 gets power 4 multiplied by, and then next term is n cube, n power 3. Also will get the power 4. So put it in a bracket and write. Okay. And then 2 power 4 is nothing but, you can check in the calculator, but do remember that this is non-calculator. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2 is a 16. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. So 2 power 4 means 16. And here, the power inside the bracket, outside the bracket, what happens between them? Multiplied. They get multiplied. So 3 times 4, 12. So 16 n power 12 is the final answer. Hope you got it. And the question number 2. Okay, same thing. Write the base and the multiplications powers will be added, which will be m power 13. Next, no matter any number or any letter, if the power is 0, it becomes 1. Okay, the moment you see the power 0, it gives you the answer is 1. Okay, next one. Okay, same thing. 16y6 and the brackets, the power is 1 over 2. So 16 gets power 1 over 2 times y6 also gets power 1 over 2. Then how to simplify? So 16, can I write 16 as a 4 square? Yeah, 4 times 4 is 16, right? We know that. So 16 change into 4 square and then close it with a bracket. And what is left on top? The power is left. Write it as it is. And then next y6 and 1 over 2. Here what you do is a cancelling the common factors. Let's do. So do remember we are doing this much because of non-calculator. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled. And here 2 table and 6 is there 3 times. The final answer will be 4 power 1 is nothing but 4 times y power 3 is left over here. So y cube. So it's remove the multiplication symbol. You don't have to mention it. 4y cube is the final answer. Hope you got it. And the third one. Okay. Write the base because bases are same. So write one time. Division is there. So it will be the powers will be subtracted. So this will be m power 2. And this one. 5. The other side, there is no number. So you can think just as 1. So 5 times 1 will be 5. Now, what next? X4. On other side, we have X2, right? And then we have Y cube. On other side, we have just Y. If there is no power, you can just write as 1. Okay. And then let's see. And you see here, the bases are same, right? One time the multiplication, so the powers will be added. Another one same. Multiplication, the powers will be added. Then the final product will be the answer 5x6, x power 6, y power 4 is the final answer.